Hello friends, this is Advocate Vi Singh this side. One of my client has asked me what is the difference between a property purchased through sale deed and a property purchased through GPA. What is the main difference? So the main difference between a property which is purchased through sale deed and a property purchased through GPA is that in GPA only right to use gets transferred. Here right to use of that property, I mean to that property. The right to use of that property gets transferred only. However, in case of property which is sold through sale deed, the ownership rights gets transferred to the purchaser. So, which is better? A property sold or purchased through sale deed is better than the property purchased through GPA. In one of its judgment, Supreme Court of India also decided in this regard in 2011 that the valid mode of transfer of property is only a property which is sold through sale deed, because in every property transaction which is sold through GPA, there is only a right to transfer only. It is only a right to use of that property which gets transferred and not the ownership. So in my point of view, it is always better for the clients to purchase the property through sale deed. However, we see in our local areas and all other than this municipality areas, there are villages and some extension areas, Lal Dora. There are also some GPA connected properties are there which are being sold. So in those cases, although it is by practice it is valid, it is going on there, so we can say that this is a practice and it is there, the properties are being sold in GPA. So it is normally accepted. Even in Delhi, we see that most of the properties are sold through GPA. They are being purchased through GPA and still valid, because when you have no other right, you have no when you have no mode of getting the property through sale deed, then you will have only option of purchasing the property through GPA. So I must say that always try to get the properties in sale deed mode and not through GPA mode. But however, if somebody is going to purchase a property through GPA, then he must keep 4-5 points in mind. First of all, for whatever property for which you are paying the money, please get the following documents so that your property is secured, your money is secured. First one, get agreement to sell, will of that property. Third, receipt of the amount which you are giving to the seller. And fourth, GPA itself. So all these 4-5 documents you must have, and if possible get in writing some agreement that you are purchasing the property from him on GPA basis, since there is no mode of sale deed is going on in that area. It will help you in later when somebody comes to you in future and say that this property belongs to me, then in that case it will help you. So keep these points in mind when you purchase a property through GPA. So I think the clients are now understanding what I have told you. It is I think you must have understood what I mean to say. So always go for sale deed and not for GPA. Okay guys, thank you, goodbye, take care.